Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make sloppy joes from scratch. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to turn on our heat. We're going to heat up the pan and we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of peanut oil. And once that comes up to temp, we're going to toss the meat in there. Alright, now that that's heated up, we're ready to add that beef in there. Now we're just going to fry up this ground beef until it's nice and brown on all sides and no longer pink. Alright, now that that's all browned up, we're going to add our onions and bell pepper. We have 1 small onion and 1 bell pepper chopped up. Going to mix that in there until those flavors get released into that meat and they start to get a little tender. Alright, now that those onions are starting to tenderize, to that we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and about 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to mix that in there until that garlic starts to release its aromas. About 30 seconds. Alright, now that those have been in there for about 30 seconds, we're ready to add the next part. We've got a tablespoon of brown sugar. Gonna get that blended in there. Got a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1.5 teaspoons of mustard. Add that in there. Get it mixed around a little bit. Let those flavors start to blend into the meat. And then to that we're going to add 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Get that all incorporated into that meat. Alright, now we got that all mixed in there. We're going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes, uncovered. That'll blend all those flavors together and then we'll be ready to serve. Alright, now that that's simmered for 15 minutes, we got it nice and thick. If you want it thinner than this, you can add some tomato juice, but I like it to be about this thick. So we're going to go ahead and take a scoop, slap it on our bun, top it off with some cheese. There we go. And there you have sloppy joes. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.